Hello, library explorers! My name is Hillary, and this is Dewey. We're your local library explorers, discovering and exploring the world around us through books. If this is your first time exploring with us, welcome. We're so happy to have you. And if you're a returning library explorer, welcome back. Now, before we get started on today's adventure, I wanted to make sure that our new library explorers were ready. So without further ado, all right, library explorers, raise your right hand and repeat after me. I promise to keep an open mind, open ears, open eyes, and an open heart as I explore, discover, and learn about the world around me. There you go. You are officially a library explorer. Now, let's get going to today's adventure. See you soon. Hello, library explorers. It's Hillary and Dewey, and we're coming to you vlog style. Today is November 1st, 2021, the day after Halloween, and Dewey and I were just thinking about what to do with our pumpkin. Every year, the day after Halloween, Dewey and I always like to recycle our pumpkin. And this year we can't quite decide. So we were wondering if you'd be able to help us. So each year we normally decide between 4 different ideas. So the first idea is making our pumpkin into a bird feeder. The way that we do that is by cutting the pumpkin horizontally down the middle, and then taking out all of its seeds and its guts. So that way it's left looking like a bird feeder, and we attach it with twine or rope to a tree. Our second idea is to cut up the pumpkin into pieces that animals can eat. But always remember when you're doing this to make sure that your pumpkin doesn't have any paint on it, because the paint can actually be harmful to animals. Our third idea is to make muffins. I'll leave the recipe right here on the screen. Our fourth and final idea is to use your painted pumpkins with mom and dad's permission and turn them into bowling balls. Fill leftover water bottles or pop bottles with water and have some fun with your family. Let me know what you think Dewey and I should do in the comments below. And if you decide to do any of these ideas, feel free to let me know by coming into the library or letting us know on our Instagram or Facebook page. Anyway, library explorers, that's all for now. I'll see you on our next adventure. Bye!